What is going on YouTube? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, I got you a power supply. So, let's get this bad boy open and we'll check it out. So this happens to be Cooler Master's MasterWatt modular power supply. It's 750 watts of power and it's 80 plus bronze certified. Let's take a closer look. Instruction manual, don't need that. Power cable, gotta have that. So here we got all the cables, just black, flat ones. The cables included on this is it's got 9 SATA connectors, 3 peripheral connectors, and 4 6+2 PCIe connectors. This power supply also comes with a 5-year warranty. I'll make sure I put a link to this one in the description. So it has a semi-fanless mode, so it stays idle until it's at 15% workload or more. But I went modular, so I didn't have to have cables running everywhere that I didn't need. Then I can add them when I need it. On off switch. I got this one in black. I think there was another color option. I'm not for sure. These cables are also more conductive because they're 16 gauge, so it's got less resistance. So that'll help out. It's supposed to be quiet and dustless, but we'll see how that pans out. Well, looky there. The high-tech redneck got her installed. Perfect fit. Nice and slim. These cables are nice and big with nice sheeting on them. And they are labeled, as with the rest of them that came with this kit. CPU. So, it's on to the next thing and we'll get this tower put together eventually. Thanks for watching, and check out the description. Find a link for this.